The automation of storage and material handling systems has evolved over time and has adapted to the demands of an increasingly fast and demanding market. Automatic storage systems represent a revolution in the way of conceiving material handling. Operators receive the products at their own workstation and can also exploit other important tools to search, trace, and ensure the safety of goods. Automatic storage systems bring numerous benefits, reducing the size of the warehouse and thus improving business efficiency from all points of view. Ferretto Group solutions provide a high added value for all storage, handling and filing requirements and apply to all product sectors. Pallet stacker cranes allow pallets to be stored on a single or double-depth racking using telescopic forks and on multi-depth racking using shuttle systems. They are guided by supervision software and can reach up to 40 meters in height, handling loads of up to 1,500 kilograms. Mini-load systems are stacker cranes that handle individual plastic and cardboard boxes at high speed using telescopic forks or suction cups. They can reach up to 25 meters in height and handle up to 500 kilograms. Special automated storage and retrieval systems stand out for the variety of goods they can store. Loads range from 5 to 5,000 kilograms and are handled using telescopic forks, dragging devices, suction cups, and special shuttle systems. Flexi is a shuttle system capable of handling multi-depth pallets on racking. It can operate with a variety of standard pallets and at temperatures that cover every working environment. It can work both in offline manual mode and connected to the enterprise management system, handling pallets up to 1,500 kilograms. FastRing is a high-performance shuttle that connects the front of the automatic storage system to the picking bays and to the warehouse entrance and exit lines. The conveyors can handle pallets, packages, boxes and coils with loads from 5 to 5,000 kilograms. They are equipped with weight, shape and load identification systems such as RFID and barcode readers. Ferretto Group supplies integrated logistics solutions from design through to after-sales service. All its solutions are made in Ferretto Group. Every product is designed and built in-house based on the customer's needs. Our experts work alongside the customer throughout the life of the system, providing remote service and continuous technical support. WMS EJ-Log was developed by the Ferretto Group R&D team over more than 6,000 hours. Its continuous evolution ensures maximum system efficiency and simplifies management for customers. EJ-Log can be integrated into any company ERP, monitoring in real time and remotely the thousands of part numbers that our systems manage on a daily basis. For Ferretto Group, efficiency, reliability and innovation are always at the forefront. Ferretto Group. Every solution, just one provider.